48 species in genus Russelia. Russelia, a firecracker of a plant. My name is Ferbvu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant and diverse world of plants. There's a particular genus that holds a special place in my heart. Russelia belong to the family Plantaginaceae. Commonly known as firecracker plant or coral blow, Russelia is a spectacle of vibrant color and delicate form. Native to Mexico and Central America, these plants bring a touch of the tropics to any garden, and I'm excited to share my passion for them with you. Why I admire Russelia. What captivates me most about Russelia is its unique morphology. The plants are characterized by their long, arching stems that resemble fireworks shooting off in every direction. These slender stems are adorned with tiny, needle-like leaves, creating a delicate, almost feathery texture. And then there are the flowers. Oh, the flowers! They bloom in a profusion of fiery hues, typically vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows that truly live up to the firecracker moniker. These tubular blossoms dangle like tiny bells, attracting a myriad of pollinators, especially hummingbirds who can't resist their nectarous offerings. But Russelia's beauty is more than just skin deep. These plants are incredibly hardy and low maintenance, thriving in a variety of conditions. They're drought tolerant, making them ideal for xeriscaping, and they don't shy away from full sun. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Russelia is a forgiving and rewarding choice. A diverse genus. While the most common image that comes to mind is the fiery red of Russelia equisetiformis, the genus boasts a diverse range of species, each with its own unique charm. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My experience with Russelia. I first encountered Russelia years ago while visiting a botanical garden. I was immediately struck by the plant's vibrant display of color and its graceful, cascading form. It reminded me of a living waterfall, and I knew I had to have it in my own garden. Since then, I've cultivated several Russelia species, and they've become a staple in my landscape. I found them to be incredibly easy to care for, requiring minimal watering and pruning. They've thrived in my garden, attracting a constant stream of hummingbirds and butterflies. I've even experimented with propagating them from cuttings, which has been surprisingly successful. Why you should consider Russelia. If you're looking for a plant that adds a touch of drama and vibrancy to your garden, I highly recommend Russelia. It's a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant, and pollinator-friendly choice that will reward you with a stunning display of color. Whether you choose the classic firecracker red of R. equisetiformis or explore the unique characteristics of other species, you're sure to find a Russelia that captures your heart. Beyond its ornamental value, Russelia also offers some practical benefits. Erosion control. Its dense growth habit makes it effective at stabilizing slopes and preventing soil erosion. Wildlife habitat. The flowers attract a variety of pollinators, including hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees. Medicinal uses. Some Russelia species have traditional medicinal uses, although further research is needed to confirm their efficacy. In conclusion, Russelia is a versatile and rewarding plant that deserves a place in every garden. Its fiery blooms, graceful form, and easy care make it a true standout. So why not add a touch of firecracker to your own landscape and experience the beauty of Russelia for yourself?